Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sushmita and today we will discuss about the homeopathic medicine that is Zincum Metallicum. We will discuss about the mind symptoms, about physical symptoms, about its relation with other medicines, its aggravation, its amelioration, everything. We will talk about everything of Zincum Metallicum. So without any further delay, we will start the video. So first of all, we will start with the mental symptoms or the mind symptoms of Zincum Metallicum. So the person who are having the weak cognitive function, because of that, they may have the symptom of the nervous exhaustion. They may have the defective vitality because of the weak nerve power in them that causes the pressure, or it may cause the strain to such people to recall their old thoughts. So the more targeting people in such situation are the people who are older, who are above the age of the 40s, that may be prone for developing the Alzheimer or the schizophrenia in their future. The personality of the Zincum Metallicum have the violent fidgetity, or may they have the very restless feeling in their mind. Because of that, they have the constant movement of their lower extremities. You may have seen such people, they constantly moving their feet continuous manner just to avoid the nervousness, just to avoid the restlessness in them. The female personality of the Zincum Metallicum feels better by releasing, by discharging the fluid from her body. So this is the reason whenever they have the menses, whenever they have the menstruation, they feels better. But her all complaints return again as soon as the flow, as soon as the menstruation subsides. There is a very interesting symptom of the Zincum Metallicum child is that whenever you say something in front of that child, they always repeat the same thing. They always repeat the same phrase or the same stanza to you. Also, you may have seen the symptom in the children. You must say in so many children who are having the malnutrition or may have the deficiency in their bodies. So during the sleep time, their body started to jerk. There is a spasmodic movements in their all over the body during the sleep time. So that time Zincum Metallicum plays a vital role in such symptoms, in such cases in the children's. If we talk about the hunger of the Zincum Metallicum personality, that time they have their ravenous hunger if they eat something, but just after the short time period they need something else to eat because they feel emptiness in their abdomen. Because of that, they feel the feeling of the congestion over there. It is a well compared medicine with Hellebore sniker and the tuberculinum, as it has almost similar comparatively diseases or which are relevant with the brain because of the suppressed eruptions. The Zincum Metallicum personality having the aggravation from drinking the wine, or even if it has been done in a very small quantity. Their symptoms of chest congestion gets better by expectoration, even after by urinating or emptying the bladder, or even by the emissions. They are better by releasing. By, for example, the females feels better after the menstruation or during the menstrual flow. And this medicine is well followed by ignitia, but not by the nux. And this medicine should not be repeated even before or after the chamomilla and the nux. So it should not be used, it should be remembered. So this was all about the Zincum Metallicum. I hope you like this video and you have subscribed to my channel. So till that, see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.